Okay, so I had to stop for lunch. And as you can see, I just had lunch. Pretty tasty. Lots of sauce. Anywho, I'm in my local Subway, and as soon as I walk through the door and order my sandwich, I see a Subway ad. Like, seriously. And I would go and like take a picture of it, but I'm not sure if they like might try to throw me out. So, safe to say, Michael Fred has just entered the Subway restaurant. And at some point during the night, I guess, we'll actually see his contribution to the Subway family. As I be a good clean consumer and get rid of my garbage, I can